Right, welcome back guys and girls. In today's video we're going to be installing the Lextek exhaust system onto the Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX. Let's go. Haha, right, okay guys, this is the exhaust that we're going to be installing today. This is the Lextek, it's a new model, new series by Lextek, and I think it's called the SP9, I'm not sure, I'll link it up below. And it's a carbon fibre, they come in different colours. It's certainly, I think, an appearance upgrade from previous Lextek exhausts. Very nice, welds look pretty good on it. But we're going to fit it, we're going to install it, and we're going to have a sound test. Let's find out. Right, okay guys, I'm not going to bore you with taking it on and off, so just let you quickly know I've got a 10mm socket and Allen key. It's dead easy to take off. We're probably going to be using the same bracket from the Black Widow for the Lextek. If you're taking the original can off for the first time, it's dead easy. There's just a couple of Allen bolt keys and take the hanger off, and it literally just slides off, and then you can slide this on, tighten it up, and that's it, dead easy. Right, okay, we're going to jump into a time warp, so this will go fast. Right, okay, it's YouTube law when you've not got an exhaust on, we're going to start it up. So actually I managed to lose a bit of footage there putting the Lextek exhaust on, unfortunately, but it's dead easy to do. Just slip on, tighten up, and Bob's your uncle. So yeah, just having a quick look at this, and loving the carbon fibre look. I think it supplements the bike really well. That's the baffle's in. And yeah, the stainless steel exhaust looks absolutely fantastic. I love the shape, the way that it angles up as well, because I think it angles up just like the tailgate does on the bike. I think it's absolutely brilliant. We're going to take it for a quick spin. We're going to do a sound test. Let's go. Right, just to let you know, this is the baffle in. So sounds being shot on an iPhone is a lot louder in real life. Right, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace!